This is a quick video on how to register and get started in your EdReady. First thing you're going to do is click on the EdReady instructions and goal. Read through these instructions carefully, and you're going to need your Panola goal key, which will be right here in the instructions. It'll be Panola _ and then 3 numbers that are specific to the course you're taking. So you can copy those, Control-C, or right click on that to copy it. And then you are going to go to, you can either go home or do next to get to the EdReady link. When you click on the EdReady link, you're going to click Load EdReady in a new window, and you should have a screen that says Enter a Key, and that's where your goal key goes in. So you'll enter Panola _ whatever your numbers, 3 numbers are that are specific to your course. You'll then click Submit, and it should pop up what class you're in. I'm going into Math 0300 Klingler Online. If that is not the correct one, you need to contact your professor, and you're going to click Get Started. Once you're started, you're going to click on the class again, and you're going to take the diagnostic class, and that will give you a study plan to tell you what concepts you need to work on. Your instructor will not see you registered in the course until you've completed the diagnostic. So you're going to do Start Diagnostic and Start Test, and you will just go through all these questions and press Submit when you're finished.